Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 3rd March. And first of all, national news. Gujarat set to host Saurashtra Tamil Sangamam. In our first two women elected to Nagaland Assembly. Differences which we could not reconcile, no G20 joint statement in Delhi. On Election Commission appointments, Supreme Court's massive order. Historic day for Northeast, Amit Shah on Assembly poll results. Australian University campus in Gujarat to be operational by year end. A vote for progress, stability, PM Modi on BJP win in Tripura. 15 Australian military officers in India on inaugural General Rawat exchange program. Nation cannot celebrate its achievements if women and children not safe. Union Law Minister Kiren Rijiju. Now international news. Russia fighting terrorist attack in Ukraine border region, Putin said. Most G20 members condemn Ukraine war except China, Russia. US NATO role in Ukraine war risk catastrophic consequences, Russia. Forced to suspend nuclear pact, US was using it to help Ukraine, Russia. Italian PM Meloni asked PM Modi to push for peace in Ukraine. Assalamu alaikum. United Arab Emirates astronaut Sultan Al Neyadi addressed the world from spacecraft. Germany warned China to not supply weapons to Russia. And now some sports news. India versus Australia. Nathan Lyon created history. Pips Anil Kumble to claim massive feat. Lionel Messi to gift gold iPhone 14s to Argentina World Cup squad staff. A report said. Jaswin Aldrin broke men's long jump national record with 8.42 meter leap. South Africa defeated West Indies in the first test encounter. And now news related to business. Indices closed day with losses. Sensex down 500 points. Rupee down 11 paise to close at 82.60 against US dollar. GDP growth could top 7% this fiscal, Chief Economic Advisor. SBI completed first commercial trade in Sri Lankan rupees. Supreme Court forms panel wants regulator report on Adani Raw. News from Science and Technology. SpaceX launch mission to International Space Station with 4 crew members on board. New study showed taking vitamin D supplements could help prevent dementia. And that's all in news. Thank you.